Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. If you're a student in engineering, architecture, or design, then one of the most important tools you'll need is CAD software. But here's the problem: most professional CAD tools are very expensive. So in this video, I'll share the top 5 best free or affordable CAD software for students in 2025. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip on how you can get premium CAD tools completely free with a student license. Segment 1. SolidWorks Student Version. Number 4 is SolidWorks Student Edition. Very popular in mechanical and industrial design. Student licenses are available through your college or directly via Autodesk Education. Excellent for parametric design and industry-level projects. Segment 2. Fusion 360 Student Edition. Now here's one of the most popular. Fusion 360 by Autodesk. Free for students and educators. Professional-grade CAD, CAM, and CAE in one software. Used by startups and even professionals, so students get real-world exposure. Segment 3. Tinkercad. Next is Tinkercad by Autodesk. This is a browser-based CAD tool. Easy drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners. Great for school and college-level projects, especially for 3D printing and electronics. Segment 4. FreeCAD. Let's start with FreeCAD. 100% free and open source. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Great for mechanical engineering, 3D modeling, and product design basics. Perfect for students who are just starting. Segment 5. Onshape Education. Finally, Onshape Education. Cloud-based CAD software. No heavy downloads, works directly in your web browser. Collaboration feature. Multiple students can work on the same project at once. Bonus tip. Most big companies like Autodesk and Dassault Systems, SolidWorks, provide free 1-year licenses for students. So if you have a student email or ID, always check the official education pages to grab free access. So, these were the top 5 best CAD software for students in 2025. Which one do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are into engineering and design. See you in the next one.